This is MKW Pros 124 here, and I have another Lego gumball machine. I'm actually using a marble just for demonstration. Yeah, so 1 second. Okay. Just have to fix the camera. There. So there is where the marble comes out that hole, but nothing came out there. So see right in the top, there's a little slot right here. That's where you take your quarter. See, quarter. That's where you put in. Then the gumball will come out. So here you go. See, and came out. And to get the money out, you just come over here, take this piece off, and I connected all these Legos together. See, there's like holding stuff at the bottom. And then your coin is right in here. And the idea is from Guitar 91, 91, 91. Yeah, but this is kind of different from his. So I'll show you the mechanism. Okay, so to reload it, you just take this marble, put it in all the way, and then see that Lego right there? When I put the coin in, the coin will push it back, and that is the same thing that pushes the marble out. Okay? See? And then the marble came out. And then just take this out. And then watch the red piece when I put in the marble. See? It moved. So that's the mechanism. And see that black piece right there? Hang on a second. Okay, so this is the same exact piece that I use right here, that moving piece. It's the exact same piece. I just pushed the marble out. It's the exact same piece. So right here, there's a stick in there. You can see that hole. It is inside that hole, so it's halfway. So then it can move. So it just put the quarter in, goes like that, and then pushes the marble out. So that was the mechanism. Now I'll show it in action one more time. So okay. Now I'll show you the machine in action one more time. Okay, ready? Quarter in, and the marble accidentally didn't go in all the way. So let me try that again. Oh, it moved. Okay. Oh, it moved. I can hear it moving. Ah, darn it. It moved again. Ready? Push it back now. Point. See? Marble came out. Sometimes it does that. But, yeah, so that was it. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.